Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a photo collage on your iPhone without using any third-party apps. Yup, no downloads needed, just your iPhone and a built-in tool. So let's check it out. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once you're inside the app, tap on the Gallery tab in the bottom right corner. Now go to the search bar at the top and type in Grid. You'll find Photo Grid here. This shortcut will let you create a simple photo collage. Simply tap on it. When it shows up, tap Add Shortcut to save it to your library. Now go to the Shortcuts tab at the bottom left. You'll see the Photo Grid shortcut listed under all shortcuts. Tap on it and it'll ask you to select the photos you want to use. Make sure to select the photos in the exact order you want them to appear. The final collage will follow the same sequence as your selection. When you're done, tap Add in the top right corner. It'll automatically create a square photo grid using the pictures you selected. If you're happy with how it looks, you can hit the share button to save it. Then choose Save Image. And boom, it's saved to your Photos app. Now go to the Photos app. Open the collage and it's all set to be shared, posted, or kept as a memory. And that's it. That's how you make a free photo collage on iPhone using just the Shortcuts app, being super easy and no extra apps required. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.